Cheers.
Cheers. Chris has just gone into the Volk supermarket we found on the way. We're going up to Gelmerbahn. I mean, hopefully it's on. Where Chris is going to try and get me to go backwards up a funicular railway open top, which should be nice, especially in the rain. I'm guessing that papier is toilet paper, and you can tell because it's got the internationally recognised symbol for toilet paper of a Labrador or puppy or golden retriever or something. Anyway, the Andrex puppy is in fact the Handeckfallbruke puppy here in Switzerland. See, Chris is in the wine section. Hello. How was your trip to Volk?
Oh, good old Volk. Yeah, good. We've got some chocolate bars.
Oh, excellent. Twixes?
Yeah.
I thought we were Benties. I expected some Swiss chocolate.
Oh, do you want to go and get some?
No, it's alright.
That's you. Tomatoes. Oh, I've got these to try.
Oh, they're funny picnic eggs.
Picnic eggs.
They look like something rude.
Do they? Just a few biscuits.
Oh.
And some chicken. I've only got chicken because we've also got beef burgers. Okay. Oh, and I've got more jam and Uncle Ben's sweet and sour sauce.
Oh, okay. Excellent traditional set of meals.
Oh.
We're all going on a summer holiday. Well, here's what actually happened in those 2,045 miles. We started off as we normally do by going to Reims for some champagne, and we stayed in a vineyard there. We then headed south to Bern for the second night, where we visited the hospices in the town, went then into Switzerland in Roll, then headed from there south to Annecy, where we spent a few days going around the lake and visiting the old town. We then moved into Italy and stayed in Como, and that's where the trip changed because the weather was bad. So we went to Rauron and up the mountains to Eichel. Then we went across to Jungfrau and the funicular railway at Gelmerbahn. We then went from Jungfrau for a few days in Pont de Vaux, chasing the sunshine, which was lovely. And then we came back up to Champagne in Troyes for a night for some more tasting, and then finished the trip where we started in another vineyard in Reims, and then came back through the tunnel.
Switchbacks up there. So this is the beautiful Grimsel Pass. Lots of hotels up here, and apparently the views are spectacular.
Well, this is Chris's next attempt to dispatch me from the planet. Is the Grimsel funicular railway, which is the vernacular for a funicular, which goes straight up. One of the steepest in the world, apparently. Beautiful views from up there, I'm told. So let's see. So what you got planned then?
I've got a little treat for you, Mr. Capel.
All right.
the funicular.
Oh no, I appear to have cut some of our 2 years ago
Funicular.
winter trip to the NC 500 into our glorious summer trip around Europe.
July in Switzerland.
Yeah, sorry, what was that vernacular you were using?
I said, what did I say? Funicular.
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 Funicular. Right.
Hello.
Hello.
This isn't for the fitness. It's not for the fake party.
No. What? You want to walk over there?
How long have we got? 13 minutes.
But
Enjoy that?
no,
No? What?
it's time to go back now. Okay.
Well done, Hazel.
Bucket list.
Look at the front.
Yes. Fantastic. It's brilliant.
Good. At least you'll be able to see the magnificent view today.
Yeah.
And we've got an earlier one. I think because it's not so busy.
Yes. I think we can go when we want.
They're going not on your Nelly.
That's because they haven't got wives with them, isn't it?
Yeah, they're so.
Back up the truck. Maybe we'll go on the back one on the way back.
Stand up.
No, you can't stand up.
It
Walk
said
straight.
do not stand.
Yeah, that's probably addressed to people like you.
Find somewhere nice for our picnic now, can't we?
Yeah, let's do that. Beautiful view from up here.
Here's the toilets.
Yeah. You need to be sick in.
Compot. That's not what I call a compot. Compot. What you put on your pudding. Oh look, nice lake.
Oh yeah.
Go up there. hikers using mountain trails and alpine routes are sure-footed, have a good head for heights and are reasonably fit. They wear sturdy hiking boots with a good sole, carry all-weather clothing and a good map.
Right.
They make sure their children are under supervision at all times. They respect nature and animals and keep their dogs on a leash. Oh, you can bring dogs up here. There's a dog.
Ah. Oh yeah. They're good.
They stay on the trails and take their rubbish home with them. We wish you an enjoyable, accident-free outing.
Good. Good.
Right. Which way would you like to go? And this is the dam.
Oh, yeah.
That's so pretty.
You might be a Sherpa. I'm more of a Shirka.
What, in a former life?
Yeah. Well, they believe in reincarnation, don't they, I think? The Buddhists. Sorry if they're not Buddhists. I may have been a couch potato in a previous life.
Every now and again, I'm reminded how much Steve loves me. I said, every now and again, I'm reminded how much Steve loves me. Oh.
Look, there's another crevasse. We're having to go across. Oh. See. And there's some solid ground here. Where's she gone? Oh, she's over there, look, still on the mountain. I need a wee. And there's toilets over there. I think I'm definitely more Matalan than Matterhorn. Yeah. Yeah.
There's my hero right there, putting himself out of his comfort zone. I mean, I'm not one for winding, and I'm not. This is absolutely stunning, but I've got to come back here one day when it's clear and blue sky and it's just breathtaking. What's that?
Yes, you'll like the sign in there. I should put it up now.
Oh, that's what you were doing in there.
The Gelmerbahn funicular was built in 1926 to transport building materials for the Gelmersee Dam, an important hydroelectric project in the Bernese Oberland region of Switzerland. After that work was concluded, Kraftwerk, the dam owner, repurposed the line to carry tourists, opening for public use in 2001. It is now a popular attraction for people who like rain and heights, known as Europe's steepest open-air funicular, and provides scenic access to the Gelmersee Reservoir.
We were completely soaking wet with everything, and it's been peeing down, and we've made it all the way back to Jungfrau and just threw everything in the van. So
What a state!
Oh,
We need
thank
to
you.
clear it up. Not
I'll
you.
put shorts and a white beater on. I was just soaked. My pants were wet.
Well, you had the wrong trousers on. My pants weren't wet.
Yes. So anyway, so we're gonna have one of them quick tidies up. So.
What is this? Camp Jungfraucamp.
Jungfraucamp. Yeah.
Bushfart. Is that
That's out.
exit?
Yeah.
Camp play area. Nice mountain in the background. It's quite a nice shop, a well-stocked shop. You know, like a well-stocked shop, and a restaurant. Go and check it out. What have you got? What is it?
Rutschenbrow.
Rugenbrow.
Rugenbrow, yes.
Very nice. Nice little place in here. This is the campsite, restaurant and bar. Blankies and things. We're still, jury's out whether we're going back to the van or we're eating here. Don't know yet.
A mark is a local hooch that's made like so obviously in Cognac, their local would be Cognac. So they had a marque de Dole from around that region. So I got one to see what it's like, but maybe you would like to give it a go, see what you think. Big grappery.
It's like getting a musty old noodle sheet that's been folded up in the shed for about 15 years. But enjoy it because I'm sure it's lovely.
Pouring your own wine now.
I know, what's that about? I used to have
Salads. Massive pizza. French style pizza. So it's like sour cream and not cheese.
Yeah, a bit weird. We'll see.
Yeah. Give it a taste, see what you think.
So there you go.
What's wrong with my snaps?
What's wrong with you?
Oh,
I thought that looked so... It smells so lovely.
how come it's the same strength you're drinking? But you haven't. Yeah, but it's like...
It's definitely not the same strength,
It is. Don't
Well,
you apple?
taste that.
Apple.
Let me... Don't try and make out of that strong.
It doesn't taste as strong. I'll give you that.
Thank you.
It doesn't. No. Well, that was a good night, wasn't it?
It was a good night, very good night, thank you. I had
Yes.
apple schnapps. I haven't had one of those for about, God, I said 30 years, it's probably more like 40 years.
You had two of them.
I know, it's probably 40 years since I've had an apple schnapps.
And I had a plum snaps, two of them.
Plum schnapps. So tomorrow we're heading back to France. We're going on the search for sunshine.
Yeah. You have to take a left and down just to get some sunshine.
I hope so. And you'll be hearing from us as to whether we get any sunshine or not.
So I'm a bit burpy.
But
That'll be
we've
that.
had a nice time. We haven't got burnt.
No, certainly not. Maybe trench foot.
We'll take a right
Oh,
for this way.
okay. Well, let's go back to Ermintrude then. I'll turn the camera around. Is it raining again?
Yes, it's raining again, but I'm prepared. Come in.
Where we go?
Just at the bottom of the mountain again.
Yes.
If you flip up, you'll be able to see the mountain.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. There you go. Right. Good night, everyone. See you in the
Good night,
morning.
everyone. See you in the morning. Who just said that?
I did.
Hello,
Yes.
I've got a surprise for you.
What?
I've got a surprise this morning.
What?
Look. 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 Hold this camera out and point it at me.
What's that glowy thing in the sky?
Yes, and look. Look up there.
Wow.
It's sunny.
You must be getting close to...
Well, we're close to the ground, firstly, I think. And secondly, went.
Excellent.
Yes.
Try and get some of that.
Yay.
Turn right towards Steindaler Strasse, then turn right onto Steindaler Strasse.
That's a bit of a wagon with a unit. Love all these different little configurations. Trailer tent.
Oh.
What?
going to be at the water, wouldn't I?
Oh,
I've got to go up the house far.
well, you'd have to go out and then in again. That's all.
I'll go up the house far.
Turn right onto Steindler Strasse.
Is that another lazy ranch road?
Yeah. Looks like it. As it said, lazy rancho.
Yeah, but they must be a breed.
Yeah,
Right.
I think. Well, that one we've just been to has got like a loyalty thing and other campsites, and if you get all the 6 stamps, oh, there's a vehicle coming. If you get all the 6 stamps, then